we couldn't shut off the ball valve inside the house because it was guarded by a demon cat, a bloodthirsty demon cat. Hey, my name's Garrett Crowley, also known as Giggles. I've been working here for almost 2 years now, and I love it to death. Today, we're going to be putting a softener in quite a tight spot. I'm also doing some repiping of their main line, and we're going to be installing a pressure regulating valve in this house. And it's going to be a lot of fun, but it's going to be tight and cozy, so it'll be interesting. Morning, how's it going, Courtney? Okay, so let's do the TNP first. So this is a temperature and pressure relief valve, and that protects the water heater and the plumbing system for high spikes in pressure. Okay, so I'm now going to be cutting into their main line. I'm going to replace their pressure regulating valve and clean up this. This looks like I-15. Oh yeah, that looks better. Just cleaning the pipe so that the solder will take. There we go. This is like 500 pounds. This begins the waltz of the softener. I said I couldn't do it. This is impossible. Okay, so we just finished up with that softener, and so I'm just going to be finishing up some paperwork and sending it to the customer, and then we're going to be out of here. Now we're heading north to Clinton. Looks like we got a leaking shower head, and we got a nice, relaxing drive ahead of us. And yeah, looking forward to helping this customer with solving their issues. How's it going, Heidi? Awesome, my name's Garrett, and I'm gonna be your plumber today. We looked at the customer's plumbing system, had a couple things that concerned me a bit, but gave them some great options, and they went with just changing out a shower cartridge. And so, took about an hour and get them taken care of. It's all just calcium and magnesium. And I've done hundreds of repipes. They really make sure that you know exactly what you're doing. They pay for your school, they put you through school. Wyatt, our CEO, is obsessed with us continuing to learn and stuff. I can't tell you how valuable it is to be able to sit down with a customer and look them in the eyes and be like, I have been taught how to do this, and I've been put through the ringer to be able to do this properly. There we go. I changed this old cartridge out and put in a new one. This is pretty much the soul of your shower valve, and it's not leaking and looks like we're good to go, which is great. Okay, any questions, concerns?
No, thank you guys.
Yeah, no problem. Have a great weekend.
Or you had a camera on you.
I do have a camera. I currently have a camera. I'm looking at the camera.
I'm gonna get them to count how many times you giggled. You're gonna talk to Mike Wilson. We're gonna have a conversation.
I introduced myself as Giggles because I knew you'd give me a hard time if I didn't. Okay, sweet. So that call went really well. We were able to get that cartridge out and replaced, and it went pretty smoothly. And so now we're headed home. It's been a great day. We're able to finish up that job over in Spanish Fork and help that cute little family. And we're able to also find some important things on the second job for the customer to know about, their water heater and their plumbing conditions. So it's a great day. You're gonna have a great weekend. Sweet. Well, I think that just about wraps it up. It's been a great day and had a great time. So thank you so much for riding along with me, and see you guys around.